Hello students, welcome to English class. Today we are going to learn a poem. Before learning the poem, can you solve this riddle? I am very big. I live in Asia and Africa. I eat only plant food and I need around 150 kg of food per day. I have a long nose and my two teeth are sharp and long. I have four pillar-like legs. I have good memory and excellent sense of smell and hearing. Because of this, I come to your estate to eat jackfruit. And I am the national animal of Thailand. Children, can you guess who am I? Yes, it is elephant. Now we are going to learn the poem The Elephant. Children, now I am going to recite the poem. Open your textbook and carefully listen to me. The elephant. The elephant's big, the elephant's grey. The elephant walks for miles each day. His trunk is long and oh, what fun when it comes out for a cake or bun. The elephant's big, his ears are wide, his back is broad for all to ride. The elephant's big is kind too. He carries the children round the zoo. Okay, children, now let us see the meaning of some difficult words. Miles. Here in the poem, miles means a very long way. Wide means broad. Ride, to travel on. Kind, helpful or caring. Explanation. The elephant. The elephant is big. Children, elephants are the largest existing land animal. They weigh up to 6,000 kg. The elephant is grey. Elephant's skin is grey. It is very thick and it has many folds or wrinkles which help them to retain water and to keep their body cool. The elephant walks for miles each day. Here, the word miles means a long way. Children, elephants are herbivores. They eat only plant food. Do you know how much they eat per day? They need around 150 kg of food per day. So, they walk long distance in search of food. Elephants spend 16 to 18 hours or 80% of a day in eating. They have excellent memory, good sense of smell and hearing which help them to search their food. His trunk is long. Elephant's trunk is long. Its trunk is actually the fusion of its nose and the upper lip. It uses its trunk for feeding and drinking. It grasps its food items with its trunk and carries to the mouth. It doesn't drink through its trunk, but it uses its trunk to suck the water and to carry it to the mouth. In this verse, poet says that it is fun to see the elephant stretching its trunk to grasp the cake or bun. The elephant is big. Elephant is a giant animal. His ears are wide. Children, there are two types of elephants, Asian elephant and African elephant. African elephants are larger than Asian elephants. The ears of African elephant are wider than the Asian elephant that are shaped like African continent. Its back is broad for all to ride. Elephant's back is very broad. More than 5 people can sit on its back and go for a ride. So, whole family can sit together and enjoy the ride. Dubbare Elephant Camp and Nisargadama in Kodagu and Mysore Zoo are some of the places where we can enjoy elephant ride. The elephant is big and kind too. Here, poet says that even though the elephant is huge, it is a kind animal. Is it true? Children, elephants are wild animals. And you know that wild animals are scary. They harm us. You might have heard about elephants harming people. Many people are still dying because of elephants' attack. Then, why does the poet say elephant is a helpful or kind animal? Children, wild elephants can be tamed and their behavior can be changed. The tamed elephants are friendly with the people and also helpful to us. The elephants are tamed for industrial works like lifting heavy objects, etc. And they are also tamed for entertainment in zoo or circus. In this verse, poet is speaking about a tamed elephant who is very friendly and kind. He says that even though the elephant is big, it is very kind. It carries the children round the zoo safely. Summary of the poem. In the poem The Elephant, the poet describes an elephant. He says that the elephant is very big and grey in color. It walks for miles every day. Its trunk is very long, and when it takes it out to eat cake or bun, it is a real fun. The elephant's ears are wide and big. Its back is broad. So, many of us can sit on it and go for a ride. Though he is big, he is very kind. He carries the little children carefully around the zoo. Now, let us see the rhyming words coming in this poem. Grey, day, fun, bun, wide, ride, to, zoo. Homework. Do the activity given in the English textbook, page number 11. The elephant. The elephant's big, the elephant's grey, the elephant walks 4 miles each day. His trunk is long and oh what fun when it comes out for a cake or bun. The elephant's big, his ears are wide, his back is broad for all to ride. The elephant's big is kind too, he carries the children round the zoo. Thank you.